Welcome to Speak Flow English. Learn, practice, and succeed.
Hi.
Hello. Nice to see you.
How was your morning?
Pretty good, thanks.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, very well.
Are you ready for work?
Almost ready.
What are you doing now?
I'm making breakfast.
What do you usually eat?
Eggs and toast.
Do you drink coffee?
Every morning.
Is the coffee hot?
Yes, very hot.
What time is it now?
It's 8 a.m.
Are you in a hurry?
A little bit.
Where are you going today?
To downtown Chicago.
Is it far from here?
Not really.
Do you like this city?
Yes, it's amazing.
Have you been to New York?
Yes, twice.
What did you do there?
I visited Times Square.
Was it crowded?
Very crowded.
Do you like big cities?
Yes, I love them.
What's your favorite place in America?
Los Angeles.
Why do you like Los Angeles?
Because of the weather.
Is it sunny today?
Yes, beautiful weather.
Do you like sunny days?
Of course.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I walk around the city.
Do you go shopping often?
Sometimes.
What do you like to buy?
Clothes and shoes.
Do you like fashion?
Yes, very much.
Is your style casual?
Mostly casual.
Do you wear jackets often?
Yes, in winter.
What color do you like most?
Black and white.
Do you have many sneakers?
A few pairs.
What's your favorite brand?
Nike.
Do you work near here?
Yes, a few blocks away.
What's your job?
I work in a cafe.
Do you like your coworkers?
Yes, they're friendly.
Is your job difficult?
Sometimes it is.
What time do you finish work?
Around 6 p.m.
Do you get tired after work?
Yes, a little.
What do you do after work?
I usually relax.
Do you watch TV at night?
Sometimes.
What shows do you watch?
Comedy shows.
Do you like movies too?
Yes, especially action movies.
What movie did you watch recently?
A Marvel movie.
Was it good?
Really good.
Do you like music?
Yes, all the time.
What kind of music?
Pop and hip hop.
Do you listen to music while driving?
Always.
Do you have a car?
Yes, a black sedan.
Is driving in America easy?
Sometimes traffic is crazy.
Have you ever been to Miami?
No, not yet.
Do you want to visit Miami?
Definitely.
What places do you want to see there?
The beach and downtown.
Are you happy today?
Yes, very happy.
Why are you sad?
I'm tired.
Are you okay?
Yes, don't worry.
What happened?
Nothing serious.
Can I call you later?
Yes, of course.
Do you have my number?
Yes, I do.
Please text me.
Okay.
Are you coming tomorrow?
Yes, I am.
What time will you come?
Around 5 p.m.
Shall we meet?
Sure.
Where shall we meet?
At the cafe.
Is the cafe far?
No, it's close.
What do you usually eat?
Rice and meat.
Do you like sweets?
Yes, very much.
What is your favorite drink?
Orange juice.
Are you good at cooking?
Not really.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can.
Do you have a car? No, not yet. Do you go to the gym?
Sometimes.
Are you healthy?
Yes, I think so.
Do you drink water often?
Yes, every day.
What time do you wake up?
At 7 a.m.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, always.
What did you eat today?
Eggs and bread.
Are you sleepy?
Yes, a little.
Do you study every day?
Yes, I do.
Is homework difficult?
Sometimes.
Can you help me with English?
Sure.
What is this word?
It means friend.
Can you repeat that?
Of course.
Please speak slowly.
Okay.
I don't understand.
Let me explain.
Is this correct?
Yes, it is.
Do you like school life?
Yes, it's fun.
Who is your teacher?
Mr. Brown.
Is he strict?
A little?
Do you have class today?
Yes, at 10 a.m.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am.